So I went at my mother's and I came back now. I went at my mother's somewhere around 10:30 somewhere. I dropped that. So I checked in portable there, huh? And so he was right. The portable is not detecting. It will be solved in time, in the real time. So, I only wanted that report, that the smashing report. He gave it. So portable was smashed. The one who claims that portable serial number. So portable was smashed. So he was right. He was telling the truth. उसने खुद बताया भी. So I came somewhere around 23:03, and I saw a fellow from other building came inside the building, and he passes in front of me. I don't. Why should I suspect? I go out. He must have come at the same time. Why should I suspect? I don't have to suspect anyone, because everyone knows who is the suspect. Then yeah, so I have to stay relaxed, stay chilled, and fuck the fuckers. Huh? They can what do you call it? They can only make nudes, steal, sell, and defame. That's it. They got nothing more than that. And the portable thing, I tried, but it's not getting attached. He was telling the truth. The shopkeeper was telling the truth. So one who claims that serial number, I dropped it, right? From past 2 years. So anyways, who cares? It's damaged or anything. I don't even have to. If the procedure is there, then I have to fix it. If the procedure is not there, much with any venture. I mean, yeah, I got my stuff cleared up. गांड में डाल वो एनिमेटेड, गांड में डाल वो फाइल, कुछ काम की नहीं है. फाइल्स आर वायरल, कॉपीराइट इज टू द एंटायर कंट्री. कुछ उखाड़ नहीं सकते हो. मेरे को सिर्फ स्मैशिंग का एविडेंसेस चाहिए था. जिसने पैरामीटर डालो उसने, और जो वो सीरियल नंबर क्लेम कर रहा है. दैट्स इट. और मीनवाइल मेरा टी शर्ट, ये देखो, दिस इज अ लियोट्यूड, रेड लियोट्यूड हियर, और देयर इज अ लायन इन द सेंटर. वो टी शर्ट पहन के था क्या कोई? क्या वो मेरा NBA का टी शर्ट पहन के था कोई बाहर? कौन सा टी शर्ट था? NBA और लियोट्यूड, व्हाट वाज इट? बट बोन स्टिच दिखना चाहिए उसके फेस पे. मेरा बोन स्टिच दिखता है. Go fuck yourself.